This video is brought to you by Team the Traveler Game. It's a cool ultimate puzzle game designed with high-end 2D graphics. And I'm pretty sure you will definitely love this game. So download it now and enjoy. Link in the description down below. The biggest problem with most of the cars nowadays is that it lacks Bluetooth. Else we need to pay a greater amount of money for that single feature. So what's up guys, Femil here, and today let's talk about an amazing gadget which makes your car's audio system wireless. Alright, first let's unbox it. The whole package consists of the main product along with a paper and something like a wire tie band. Okay, this product comes in a small cute looking package, and inside the box we can see the Bluetooth receiver module, a charging cable and an instruction manual which we don't want. This amazing Bluetooth gadget is available on the famous global shopping website called blindlyshop.com, which sells a lot of innovative products like this with free worldwide shipping cost. And to get a 10% discount, use the coupon code FMJTech during checkout or click on the unique discount link down in the description. Alright, so let's talk about the product. This product is very small and lightweight, and on the front side there is a switch which can do multiple functionalities. Along with this we can see a LED light indicator and a mic as well. On the back side there is a 3.5mm audio jack and a micro USB cable on the bottom side. Okay, this module uses Bluetooth 4.2 technology with a operating distance of 10 meters. And the cool part is it contains a 120 mAh battery inside, which makes it extremely a unique product. Now let's talk about how we can set up this gadget in your car. First, connect the micro USB cable to the charging port, then insert the 3.5mm jack to the aux input of your car's music system and connect the USB cable to any power source. And that's it, the device setup is completed. Now let's turn on the device by long pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Then change the input mode of your music system to aux input. So simple, right? And now your car is Bluetooth enabled. You can now connect any devices and play your favorite music and enjoy your journey. If someone calls you in between, just press the power button one time and you can talk to them. That is, you can hear their sound from the car speaker and your voice will be captured through the mic inside this gadget. And of course, it's an amazing feature. Along with this, it has a lot more features which I will discuss in the coming videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.